Here's an interesting app called ChatRecap AI, chat analysis. Unlock deep insights into your chats, analyze response times, interest levels, red flags, and more with powerful AI and detailed stats. Decode relationships now. Transform your conversations with ChatRecap AI. Unlock the hidden patterns and insights in your chat. ChatRecap AI is the ultimate tool for analyzing WhatsApp, Instagram conversation and understand the relationships on a deeper level. So kind of the idea, is that, if you're chatting with your partner and you kind of don't understand some of the messaging, you can kind of use this app and try to use AI to analyze all of this. So what to expect? Messaging trends at a glance with breakdowns of messages per day, hour, or week, psychological insights that reveal the red flags, attachment style, and emotional patterns in your conversations. Premium analysis features with advanced breakdowns of emotional tone, response times, and compatibility markers. Stop wondering what your messages say about you or your relationship. ChatRecap AI gives you the clarity you need. Pretty cool app. And then you can just open it up. Who's really putting in effort, and then you can just open it up, and then you can just analyze your chats, and then choose a platform to analyze your messages like Instagram, Messenger, iMessage, Telegram, Discord. So then you can just use it, and so that's basically you can see all these things like level of interest, level of engagement, reply rate. So I guess this is mostly for women if they're chatting with somebody either on Tinder or in more deeper connections, and you just want to really understand what this conversation means for you. And then you can unlock this for $4 per week. There is no free trial, unfortunately. This is the app. So if there are more than enough likes for this video, if you like this video, I will try to upgrade and just upload some chats to see whether it's working. But for now, just bringing your attention that here is this app.